Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to delete Snapchat group that I created. Okay, so first of all, we have to go into the Snapchat, and after that, you have to click on the chat icon. And for example, that I created a group on the plus icon, and you have to accept, and you have to create a group. So for example, I created this group. I have to click over here and I have to click on the three dots, and after that I will get an option to leave the group. So you have to click on the leave the group, and after that you have to click on done, and the chat will be automatically get deleted. So you don't need to do anything new or extra. You have to just leave the group and the group will be automatically deleted. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.